How to sell on Etsy and make money. Are you crafty or a dab hand at design? Turn your hobby into a money-making venture by setting up shop on Etsy. Here's how to start selling. How much money can you make on Etsy? We'll be honest here, how much money you could make entirely depends on how successful your shop becomes. Some people make a steady side income of £20–£30 a month, and others earn enough to quit their jobs and sell on Etsy full-time. It's not likely you'll become a millionaire from selling on Etsy, but if you follow a few simple rules, you could easily make a decent little side income while you study, all while doing something you actually enjoy. How to sell on Etsy. Here are 5 key steps to follow to start selling on Etsy and making money. Decide which products to sell. Choose a name and logo for your shop. Create clear and attractive images of your items. Save up some money. Create a postage plan. How much does it cost to sell on Etsy? Etsy's fees are relatively complicated compared to some other selling sites. There are 3 different types of fee that apply each time someone buys something from your shop. A listing fee, it costs 15p to put each item up for sale, and each listing lasts 4 months, or until it sells, whichever comes sooner. You can set up your items to auto-renew if you have more than one available, and you'll be charged around 15p as soon as an item sells to keep it live. A transaction fee, Etsy will charge you 5% of the sale price, including postage and packaging fees, when you make a sale. A payment processing fee, this is 20p plus 4% of the entire payment, including postage. Offsite ads fee, optional, if you allow Etsy to advertise your listings, you'll be charged 15% on sales made from an ad. You can choose not to have your products advertised. As an example, let's imagine you sell something for £10 plus £2.99 postage, not from an offsite advert. It'll cost you 15p in listing fees, 65p in transaction fees and 72p as a payment processing fee. This is a total of £1.52. Etsy Plus. Etsy has also introduced a Plus subscription, which costs more money but gives you access to more perks and features. For £7.40 a month you get access to more features, including more shop customization, 50% off a custom .com address, or a free store address for a year, 15 listing credits and £3.70 in credit for Etsy ads each month. Option to let shoppers know when your products are back in stock. Is Etsy Plus worth it? Etsy sellers have strongly differing opinions on this. Some feel that the money you earn back in the form of listing credits and advertisements each month makes the Plus subscription a pretty good deal. Others feel like the discounts on things like marketing materials and personalized domain names still don't get you the best price available, so they aren't worth paying for. Look into all the T&Cs, and think carefully before you invest in a subscription, as, if you won't use all of the features, it might not be worth the extra money. The pros of selling on Etsy. Still unsure if it's right for you? Here are the main pros of selling on Etsy. Etsy isn't the biggest or the most well-known selling site out there, but if your product is quirky and homemade, it could be one of the most profitable for you. The edge that Etsy has over other selling sites like eBay or Gumtree is that buyers are much more focused on the quality and uniqueness of each individual listing, rather than price or location. Whereas the typical eBay or Amazon customer might type in a search term and list everything from lowest to highest price, an Etsy buyer wouldn't expect their search to result in a page full of identical products. This makes it a lot easier to be noticed if you've created something one of a kind, regardless of the cost. When you start selling on Etsy, you have to create a shop, and you're encouraged to add a logo, a banner and a description with social media links that will help a visitor find out a bit more about you. eBay seller pages tend to be quite plain and anonymous, but there are so many ways to add a personal touch on Etsy. The best Etsy businesses use all of these features to create their own memorable brand that people will search out by name. If you want your own .com address to link directly to your shop, you can set one up, for a fee, directly through Etsy, too. Etsy has options to allow you to sell personalized items more easily, and as custom orders might take you a bit longer to create, you can charge more for them. There's also the opportunity to create coupon codes to encourage customer loyalty or reward your fans on social media. You can also close your shop if you need a break, which can be a really useful feature to reassure loyal customers when they come back and see an empty shop. International opportunities. We've talked to a number of Etsy sellers in the UK, and they all told us that a surprising percentage of their orders come from overseas, especially Australia and the US. Because each item is specially made, people are less concerned with receiving their shopping quickly. This means there are even more potential customers out there for you.